Digital marketing is essential for businesses today. It involves promoting products or services online. This approach helps reach potential customers effectively. People spend a lot of time on the internet, and digital marketing meets them where they are. It uses digital tools and platforms which help create impactful campaigns. These campaigns aim to increase brand awareness and drive sales and business growth. Digital marketing offers many benefits. It allows precise targeting, enabling businesses to reach specific demographics. They can tailor messages to different audience segments, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. Digital marketing also provides valuable data and insights. Businesses can track campaign performance and make data-driven decisions for optimization. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing is measurable. Businesses can track key metrics to see what's working and what's not, allowing for continuous improvement. Additionally, digital marketing is cost-effective, offering a high return on investment compared to traditional methods. With a smaller budget, businesses can reach a wider audience. Social media marketing is a crucial aspect of digital marketing. It leverages social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. These platforms allow businesses to connect directly with their audience, building relationships and fostering brand loyalty. Social media marketing offers several benefits. It helps increase brand awareness by showcasing products and services to a wider audience. Social media platforms encourage engagement, allowing businesses to interact with their followers and build a community around their brand. Social media advertising provides targeted reach. Businesses can run ads to reach specific demographics and interests, ensuring that ads are seen by the most relevant audience. Additionally, social media marketing drives traffic to websites, as businesses can include links to their websites in their social media profiles and posts. Email marketing remains a powerful strategy for businesses. It offers a personalized way to connect with customers. Unlike social media, email communication is private, allowing for tailored messaging and a more intimate brand experience. Email marketing is effective for nurturing leads, guiding potential customers through the sales funnel. Businesses use email marketing to send updates and promotions, as well as share tailored content that resonates with their audience. This keeps subscribers engaged and informed. Email marketing helps build strong customer relationships, providing value and building trust with the audience. Email campaigns can be segmented to ensure that subscribers receive relevant content, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. Email marketing is also trackable, allowing businesses to monitor open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics to optimize campaigns for better results. Section 4. Building trust and authority with content marketing. Content marketing is a strategic approach. It focuses on creating valuable and relevant content. This content attracts and engages the target audience. Content marketing builds trust and establishes the brand as an industry authority. It involves various formats. These include blog posts, videos, infographics, and podcasts. For example, a skincare brand can create informative content. They can publish articles on skin health tips. They can share video tutorials on skincare routines. This positions the brand as an expert. Content marketing influences buying decisions. When customers are ready to purchase, they are more likely to choose a brand they trust. Content marketing improves SEO. By creating high-quality content, businesses can improve their website's ranking in search results. This leads to increased organic traffic and brand visibility. Content marketing can be repurposed across different platforms. Section 5. Driving organic growth. Understanding SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is crucial for improving a website's visibility. SEO involves optimizing website content and structure. This optimization targets search engines like Google. When done correctly, SEO helps a website rank higher in search results. SEO involves keyword research. Businesses identify relevant keywords. These keywords are what their target audience is searching for online. SEO also focuses on website structure. A well-structured website makes it easy for search engines to crawl and index its pages. SEO improves user experience. A website that is easy to navigate and provides valuable content will keep visitors engaged. SEO is an ongoing process. Search engine algorithms are constantly changing. Businesses need to stay updated with the latest SEO best practices to maintain their rankings. Section 6. Integrating strategies for digital marketing success. For comprehensive digital marketing success, integration is key. Businesses need to combine different strategies. This creates a cohesive online presence. Integrating social media, email, content, and SEO amplifies reach. It ensures that the brand message is consistent across all platforms. An integrated approach provides a seamless customer experience. Customers can interact with the brand through their preferred channels. This leads to increased engagement and conversions. Businesses can leverage data and insights from different platforms. This informs their overall digital marketing strategy. By integrating these strategies, businesses can maximize their online presence. They can reach their target audience effectively. This leads to increased brand awareness, stronger customer relationships, and ultimately, business growth. Remember, digital marketing is not about using one tactic in isolation.